Good morning, students. Now we will start chapter 4 of book exercise and question answers. So take out your computer notebook and now we will do write chapter 4. Chapter number 4, working of a computer. WORKING, working of a computer. COMPUTER, computer. Mention date 26/20. Question number 1. Tick TIC tick, write the correct CORRECT. Correct option OPTION option. Question number 1. In an IPO cycle, the P stand for. So I stand for input and P stand for process, and O stand for output. So we will write here P stand for process, PROCESS, process. Next, the result given by a computer after processing is called. So it is output, OUTPUT, output. The result, RESULT, result given by a computer after processing, 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 is called output. Next, the data, data given, GIVEN, given to the computer, 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 are called. So the data given to the computer are called input. It is called input, INPUT, input. So option A is right, input, INPUT, input. Fourth, what types of WHAT, what types, TYPE, type of device, 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 is the hard, HARD, hard disk, DISK, disk. So it is storage, STORAGE, storage. Option C is right, storage. Hard disk is the storage device. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First, a computer work on basic steps. A computer, COMPUTER, computer works, WORKS, works on basic, BASIC, basic steps, STEPS, steps. So answer 3, a computer work on 3 basic step. 3 basic step, input, process or output, input, process, output. Next, second, our dash does the processing work, brain. So our brain does the processing work, BRAIN, brain. Next, third, monitor is an dash device, MONITOR, monitor is an device, DEVICE, device. So monitor is an output device, OUTPUT, output. Monitor is an output device. Fourth, a dash device is a dash device, 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 is a device that stores data. So a storage device is a device that stores data. Storage, STORAGE, storage. Next, question number 3. State whether, WHETHER, whether the following, FOLLOWING, following statement, STATEMENT, statement are true or false. So question number 1, we get input from the computer. So it is false because we can feed input from the computer. So it is false. We will write here F for false. Next, second, printer is an output device. So it is right statement. So we will write here T for true. Printer is an output device. Third, in an IPO cycle, O stand for output. So it is right. I stand for input, P stand for process, and O stand for output. So T is right. So it is right statement. So we will write here T. T for true. Fourth, CPU is an input device. So it is wrong, because CPU is an processing device. So it is wrong statement. So we will write here F. F for false. Question number 5. Very short answer type questions. QUESTIONS questions. Question number 1. What is a device? Device क्या है? A tool that does a particular job. A tool, 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 that THAT, that does a, DOES, does a particular, PARTICULAR, particular job, JOB, job. तो एक टूल जो पर्टिकुलर जॉब करता है उसे डिवाइस कहा जाता है. राइट द नेम ऑफ एनी टू इनपुट डिवाइस. So there are two input device, keyboard and mouse. KEYBOARD, keyboard, and mouse, MOUSE, mouse. Next, third, write the names NAMES, names of any ANY, any two, TWO2, output devices, DEVICES, devices. So there are two output device, monitor and printer, MONITOR, monitor, and printer, PRINTER, printer. Question number 4. What does IPO stand for? So we will write I stand for input, and P stand for process, and O stand for output. So we will write here input, 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 dash process, 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 and output, OUTPUT, output. Question number 6. Short answer type questions. Question number 1. What is input? Input क्या है? The data, 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 instruction, INSTRUTIONS, instructions, and commands, COMMANDS, commands given to the computer are called input. So data and instructions and commands जो कंप्यूटर को दिए जाते हैं उसको इनपुट कहते हैं. इट इज़ कॉल्ड इनपुट. नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड, डिफाइन आउटपुट. सो द रिजल्ट, RESULT, result given by a computer, 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 after processing, 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 is called output, OUTPUT, output. जो प्रोसेसिंग के बाद रिजल्ट दिया जाता है उसको आउटपुट कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, What are the storage device? Storage device क्या है? A storage device, STORAGE, storage device, 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 is a storage device is a device, DEVICE, device that stores data for later use. Data for later, LATER, later use. A storage device ऐसी डिवाइस है जो स्टोर की जाती है बाद में यूज़ करने के लिए. डिफाइन प्रोसेसिंग, PROCESSING, processing. The CPU of the computer work on, WORKS, works on the data according to the instructions, INSTRUCTIONS, instructions given, GIVEN, given. This is called processing, PROCESSING, processing. CPU इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने पर डाटा पर वर्क करता है, उसे दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रोसेसिंग, उसे प्रोसेसिंग कहा जाता है. द CPU ऑफ द कंप्यूटर वर्क ऑन डाटा अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंस्ट्रक्शंस गिवन. इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने पर जब डाटा पर वर्क करता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रोसेसिंग, और उसको प्रोसेसिंग कहा जाता है. सो चैप्टर 4 हैज़ कंप्लीट. डू इन नोटबुक, राइट नीट एंड क्लीन. थैंक यू क्लास.